Have you ever tried to make money online but were unsuccessful? Have you spent hours, days, weeks, months, and even years watching YouTube gurus trying to learn how to make money online but were unsuccessful? The reason you have been failing is not your fault. It is because the so-called YouTube experts don't want you knowing how to actually make money online, because then you would be direct competition for them and their money-making projects. That is why they only ever show you what to do, but never teach you how to actually do it. See, it's all making sense now, isn't it? I wasted my time with these gurus and their courses but never got anywhere. The thing that saved me was a book I came across on Amazon called Get Rich with ChatGPT by Benjamin Fox. This book was revolutionary to me as it was the first thing that ever taught me exactly how to make money online. And now I am making money online every single day. I'm making just over 30K per month now, and that is why I've made this video. To spread the word so that you can have the opportunity to learn how to make money online and break free from the endless cycle of these so-called YouTube gurus. Some of my favorite chapters in the book include how to start using ChatGPT for beginners, how to become an expert on ChatGPT, multitasking with ChatGPT to 10x your income, and 24 proven ways to make money online using ChatGPT. As well as this, Benjamin also gives you over 300 prompts to use with ChatGPT. Prompts are the instructions that you type into ChatGPT in order to operate it, and the prompts that Fox gives you will give you a solid foundation and understanding of how to use ChatGPT and how to make money with it too. Opportunities like this only come along once in a lifetime, so don't sit there and think, I'll click the link later. No, do it now and save yourself from the maze of confusion that these gurus have trapped you in. Click the link below the video and order Get Rich with ChatGPT by Benjamin Fox today.